Okay, my name's Miss Simpson and I'm Head of Cookery and Nutrition here at Sheffield Girls. And all our students do Cookery and Nutrition for Year 7, Year 8 and Year 9. And they do it for half a year and they have one lesson a week. We focus from Year 7 on building their practical skills and giving them some confidence in the kitchen to produce some lovely food and meals, etc. Once they've got those skills in Year 7, they then move into Year 8 and they develop on those skills and they start to think a little bit more independently, work on their own, come up with their own ideas, etc. And then again, they move into Year 9 and using those skills that they have from Year 7 and Year 8, they modify recipes, we look really closely at healthy eating and food hygiene, safety. And we also in Year 9 actually start to look at the GCSE course and we do some food science work. They work in teams and do some food science experiments. Here at Sheffield Girls we do AQA food preparation and nutrition for GCSE. This is a subject where they use the skills that they've learnt in Key Stage 3 and we develop them further and we cover areas such as food, nutrition and health, food provenance, food safety and food science. Again, there are lots of practical skills and we use these practical skills to teach the theory as well. The course is 50% written examination and 50% non-examined assessment where they do projects really. They do a food science project and they do a practical project and this is examined during Year 11. In Year 11 we do what we call a masterclass and we invite chefs, butchers, fishmongers, etc. into school and we have lessons where they learn presentation of food in a professional way and how to joint a chicken, how to fillet a fish, etc. And all the recipes that we do can be modified to suit any dietary requirements. So we look at vegetarians, we look at vegans and so on. So everything is suitable for each individual.